earlier, Mahsa here to navigate that process, which we know can be a tough one. But you have been in some pretty hard-hit areas, right?
Yeah, so we know Crystal River, they saw a lot of flooding. So 48 hours after the hurricane, I wanted to stop by. I wanted to talk with people who were dealing with the mess firsthand. And I want to show you kind of what we saw. Piles of garbage outside home after home. Now, Josh, this is right by the water. And a lot of the folks there are telling me they saw about 12 feet of water inside their homes. And everywhere we went, they had their fans going to try to circulate the air. They were cutting out that damaged drywall. And many people, including the Messers, tell me they were making contact with their insurance company for the very first time to start that process of filing a claim. Listen.
We're in touch with the insurance company, and they're supposed to be having an adjuster get in touch with us. Said within 48 to 72 hours.
How much is all this costing?
Don't know. So, but we have to do it. It's nothing like any other decisions that we've made as far as, well, how much is this going to cost? This is just, it's going to cost what it's going to cost. Right. It just has to be done.
You know, for a lot of people, it's their first time dealing with cleaning up after a flood, but it's also new property insurance laws have gone into effect, so it's a double whammy trying to navigate that. So what should people do, and what should they know? So
I talked with an insurance expert, and he tells me some of the changes that were made, they are good. Insurance companies, they have to respond to you much faster now than they had to before. Within 7 days, if you contact them, they have to get back to you. Within 60 days, it'll be interesting to see if this actually happens. They have to get back to you with a claims decision. Now, that attorney did outline some mistakes that people make, and you don't want to make these mistakes, and I'm going to break it all down for you coming up at the top of 6 tonight.
You just don't want to slow it down any more than it is.
Yeah.
All right. Sounds good. Thanks, Mahsa. And if you have a story you'd like Mahsa to look at and investigate, call our 8 on your side hotline. It's 1-800-338-0808, or you can visit her on